Honorable Court, my lord, struck down the validity of those rules, my lord, holding that the principle laid down in the case of M. Nagaraj, my lord, were not complied with. Now, again, my lord, without complying with those parameters which were laid down in M. Nagaraj, my lord, and followed by General Singh 1 and General Singh 2, my lord, these rules have been framed. Now, first submission is, my lord, that these rules, my lord, are in fact in the teeth of the judgment passed by this Honorable Court in the case of R.B. Rai. Exactly same rules have been framed, my lord, with slight modification. Now, the same provision regarding reservation is there, carry forward, my lord, roster, everything is same. Now, my lord, the matter as against, my lord, R.B. Rai, the state went in appeal before the Supreme Court. Matter is pending before the Supreme Court. Now, an interim order was passed, my lord, directing maintenance of status. Right from 2002 till 2016, my lord, all those reserve category candidates, my lord, who were granted promotion, their promotions were set aside. Now, they are continuing only by virtue of an interim order passed by the Supreme Court, my lord, that is regarding maintenance of status quo. Neither, my lord, the judgment of this Honorable Court has been stayed, my lord, nor their reversion has been stayed. They are continuing only on the basis of interim order. Now, the position is, my lord, all higher posts, my lord, in government service are being occupied by these reserve category candidates. I have filed copy of the seniority list. Now, only these category candidates, my lord, are being considered for further promotion. Now, as a result, my lord, we sitting, my lord, in the bottom, my lord, we are not getting any avenues of promotion. Now, two things, my lord, which these rules don't take care of, my lord, is the first is, my lord, the principle of creamy layer. Now, Supreme Court in M. Nagaraj, my lord, which has been clarified in General Singh 2, my lord, it has been clearly said, my lord, that the principle of creamy layer is applicable even to SC/ST. That, my lord, the rules doesn't take care of this situation. Lordship, may just see paragraph 20.
Yes, you are appearing for the state.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes, what do you have to say?
Your Lordship, in fact, Your Lordship may kindly see the object and purpose of the rules. The rules of 2025 have been formulated with the purpose to resolve the deadlock of the issue of promotion across the state of Madhya Pradesh. Now, there are several employees, government officers who have retired without being promoted. The effect is that demoralization of these employees, firstly. That is the main object, Your Lordship. The other object is that the administration, the government administration is being adversely affected due to the non-availability of officers at every level, due to the stalemate in respect of promotions concerned in the state of MP. And therefore, these rules have been...
So what is the difference you're bringing about in these rules?
In fact, Your Lordship, the judgment of M. Nagaraj and the Jarnail Singh 2022, the 6 issues that were formulated in 2022, they have been followed in the promotion rules, Your Lordship. And all the rules, all the promotions would be subject to the final outcome of the SLP, which is already seized by the Honorable Court in the case of R.B. Rai.
So these rules are subject to final outcome of the SLP?
They would be final.
So where's the question of framing new rules if matter is pending? Wait for the judgment?
No, insofar as 2002 rules are concerned, Your Lordship, we could not make promotions on the basis of the 2002 rules because the operation of the roster had been quashed by the Honorable Court. And
So-
there was no
so
stay
you
on
bring
that.
it-
There was no stay on that order.
You see, so that means those rules are quashed. Matter is sub judice before the Supreme Court. Now you bring in new rules to override Supreme Court judgment.
No, they have not been brought in to override. They have been brought in consonance with the orders passed by the Honorable Supreme Court. Your Lordship may kindly see the order.
It says they will not be disturbed, that's all.
Your Lordship may kindly see the order passed in the case of Jarnail Singh in the year 2022.
First you withdraw the challenge in R.B. Rai and come.
Your Lordship,
Let the
these are...
Supreme Court, either you withdraw it or you have that settled from the Supreme Court. How do you frame new rules on the same lines?
No, it is not on the same lines, Your Lordship. It is in consonance with the order that is passed by the Honorable Apex Court in the case of Jarnail Singh, Your Lordship, 2022 may kindly...
Between the 2000 comparative table of 2002 and 2025 rules, what is the distinction being brought about?
Your Lordship may kindly have a look at the 25 rules, Your Lordship.
Do we have a comparative between the two?
The comparison is not prepared. Your Lordship may kindly see the rules for a moment. Your Lordship, at this stage, even notices are yet to be issued in the matter. We will file a detailed reply to the entire petition and justify our...
Don't, then in the meantime, hold your hands.
Your Lordship, Your Lordship, we are opposing the interim...
You can't have the same issue as happened earlier.
No, it is, Your Lordship may kindly have the rules of 2025. Your Lordship may kindly have it page 76. What has been done, Your Lordship?
My lord, may I request, my lord, in this matter, we'll come
Use the
out with
mic,
our
please.
stand.
Mike, please.
My lord, in this matter, we'll come out with our stand. It may kindly be taken up on Monday, my lord. We'll be in a position to assist your lordship in a bit.
You see, in the meantime, don't make any promotions pursuant to
My
these
lord,
rules.
that, my lord, even.
Mr. Singh, in any case, promotions won't happen in 3-4 days. So don't convene a DPC and make it, you'll have it on Monday, Tuesday, whenever you want it, no difficulty. But in the meantime, don't make any promotion.
My lord, your lordship may kindly appreciate that interim protection may not be given.
We won't grant it, but we want your statement that you will not do it. Otherwise, we'll have to look at it now. Why should we then defer it?
My lord, may I suggest one thing? It may kindly be kept subject to the final outcome of the petition.
No, subject to final outcome, Mr. Singh causes the problem.
See, my lord, my humble submission is, my lord. My lord, today is the first. My lord, today this matter is listed for the first time. My lord, we
We will-
seek instruction.
Mr. Singh, we will have it on Tuesday. But in the meantime, don't change the status. We will not pass an order, but we expect you not to change the status. You shouldn't come on Tuesday, say, look, we've appointed 100 people or 200 people. In any case,
your
no
lordship-
days, nothing. The rules have been notified now. You will have to create your list, short list, etc., hold DPCs. That in any case won't happen till Tuesday. We won't pass an order. We'll simply issue notice, ask you to take instructions, have it on Tuesday. Please also give us a comparative between the 2002 and 2025 votes. What is the change being brought about?
Ji. But my lord, my lord, I am sorry, my lord, I am repeatedly making the same submission, my lord. Your lordship may kindly, my lord, instead of granting interim relief today,
Mr. Singh, we are not granting it. We are wanting you not to take any steps without writing it in the order. We expect you not to do. In any case, 5 days, you won't be able to hold a
ठीक
DPC.
है sir, ठीक, ठीक,
6-7 days, you won't be able to hold a DPC and start
ठीक है,
promoting people.
ठीक है sir. Yeah.
Say issue notice, learned advocate general prays for some time to take instructions. At request re-notify on Tuesday. The state shall also produce a comparative table between the rules of 2002, which are subject matter of the proceedings in RB Rai's case pending before the Supreme Court, and the new rules of 2025 on the set. Just give a comparative.
Ji,
what's
ji.
your plan.
And my lord, it may kindly be, your lordship may kindly make it clear that no interim order is passed today, my lord. We have given an undertaking otherwise.
We are not saying anything. That's all we are passing.
ठीक,
We
ठीक,
believe in the words of advocate.
जी.
We believe in the words of advocate.
In any case, 1 week, they won't be able to,
Yes.
do it. If they do, then situation is different.
I am deeply obliged, man.
So these are item number
17, 18 and 19, my lord.
17 to 19.
Bill number 28 is